Hello! Hey guys! Today we're doing a question and answer with Julela and Yami. Hi! Okay. Question number 1. Who likes penguin?
You.
5 sauce.
You.
Gaming. Who lived One Direction? Huh?
Zayn Malik. Zayn Malik.
Another question. Kailan birthday ko?
April 26, 2003.
Ikaw nang magtatanong.
Why me?
Kasi you're tama.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Oh my God.
Agosto, Dudalay. Ang sampal niya ba, friends, Dudalay?
Who's your real crush?
Am I going to shout it?
Yes.
Inak Andre Virayas!
Oh my God. Ipakita natin yun sa kanya. Oh my God. Ipapakita natin.
Hindi. Who live in Dublin?
What?
Dublin. Ireland.
Kyle
Direction?
Horan!
One Direction?
Kyle Horan! Last question about time zone.
Who likes pizza?
Michael! You. What's your question? You. You.
will be the next hero.
Are you going to Five Sauce
What is the
concert today? No!
What is the real? What is the full name of Niall?
Niall James Horan.
Oh my God. How about? Pwede ako magtanong sila. How about you, Niall?
Who is your real crush? Sorry.
Who is the ex-girlfriend of